environment, i.e. stressful top. I'm 5. This is how I roll. Truck 4-wheeler monster birthday shirt. Family members are is creating reasons to be stressed, i.e. worrying about everything being perfect. Same for the appliance repair business. Everyone is using their stuff more during the holidays, thus breaking it more, especially this year where the pandemic has been increasing home time. We always get super swamped with calls in the days, weeks, months leading to the holidays. Not only this, but people get super top. I'm 5. This is how I roll. Truck 4-wheeler monster birthday shirt, tank top, V-neck, sweatshirt, and hoodie, sweatshirt, tank top, V-neck. I get crazily top. I'm 5. This is how I roll. Truck 4-wheeler monster birthday shirts. Excited for Christmas because I know I got to make all the people I love happy by getting them thoughtful gifts. My mom always gets us socks, underwear, and electric toothbrush heads. It is so nice having them instead of wanting them, but not having the other products.